Understanding, to patch things up, a guide to reconciliation in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of English language and its nuances. Today, we're diving into a very interesting and widely used phrase, to patch things up. This expression is not only common in everyday conversations but also carries a powerful message about relationships and conflict resolution. So, if you've ever wondered what it means to patch things up with someone, you're in the right place. The phrase, to patch things up, is an idiomatic expression used to describe the act of repairing a relationship or resolving a dispute after a period of disagreement or conflict. Imagine a garment with a tear in it. To make it whole again, you might patch it up with a piece of cloth. Similarly, when people patch things up, they are metaphorically fixing the tears in their relationship, mending the bond that was damaged. This phrase can be used in a variety of situations, ranging from minor disagreements to major conflicts. Here are some examples. After an argument with a friend, you both decide to apologize and reconcile. You could say, "We managed to patch things up and are friends again." In a romantic relationship, after a misunderstanding, both partners communicate, understand each other's perspectives, and resolve their issues. Someone might comment, "It's great they patched things up and moved forward." The key to successfully patching things up involves open communication, empathy, and a willingness to forgive and move past the issue. Repairing relationships is crucial for emotional well-being and social harmony. Patching things up signifies growth, understanding, and the strength of human connections. It reflects the idea that despite differences and conflicts, people can come together and rebuild their relationships stronger than before. This phrase encourages us not to give up on each other easily and to value the bonds we share. We hope this video has shed some light on the meaning and significance of the phrase, to patch things up. Remember, it's never too late to mend a relationship or resolve a conflict. Communication, empathy, and a genuine desire for reconciliation are your best tools in this endeavor. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this explanation helpful. Until next time, keep learning and growing in your journey with the English language.